your body is changing. We are going to be going through some of the different ways that your body is going to be changing during this time that we call puberty. We are going to talk about our periods, and I am going to explain to you what is happening, what is causing our period, what is the menstruation cycle.
So today is all about your period. We're going to be talking about the different period products. We're talking about 4 different products: pads, tampons, cups, period panties.
We are going to continue talking about the period products that we were introduced to last week, but now we're going to kind of dive into accessibility, so getting access to the products, environmental impacts, so how do these products affect the environment, and then innovation, which would be creating new products and new solutions that would help us during our cycle.
Ms. Taryn, we got a question from a friend that asks, is there more than one egg in our ovaries?
Ooh, great question. I didn't think we'd go this far into it.